Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello and welcome to Rahman Digital Production. This is lecture number 22 and we are going to conclude not only this exercise 3C but also this topic. We are going to start a very important topic, and that is algebra. So stay tuned. Don't miss any part of this video. Today we are going to do question number 8, and question number 8 is saying without using a calculator, decide which of the option is better value for money. Let me explain it. There are two bottles, one is the bigger one and one is the smaller one. I want to buy a bottle of jelly beans. I went to the shopping mall and there I saw that 300 gram of jelly beans costs $5.80. But this is option number A. But there is another option with me, and that is the bigger bottle. And they are saying that 500 gram jelly beans, this is 300 gram and this is 500 gram. Jelly beans cost $9.90. This is option number B. The question is asking that which option is better value for money. Yani you will buy this bottle or this bottle. Let us calculate without using the calculator. Let us first talk about the option A. And if we are going to talk about option A, let us say that 300 gram of jelly beans is equal to $5.80. Ladies and gentlemen, because we are dealing approximation and estimation, so let us approximate it to $6. 5.80 is nearly equal to $6. If 300 is nearly equal to $6, then 100 gram jelly beans will nearly be equal to $2. 300 means $6 nearly, so 100 gram jelly will be nearly equal to $2. And because we are estimating 300 gram jelly, so it is equal to we are estimating 500. Let us compare that with the 500 gram jelly beans will be equal to 5 into $2. 100 is $2, so 500 will be equal to $10. So this is equal to $10, and when we are seeing this 500 gram jelly beans is costing $9.90. So till here option B is better because this is $10 and this is $9.90. This is $9.90. But 300 gram, but 300 gram is 0.20 less than $10, and 500 gram is 0.10 less than $10, because that is 5.80 and this is 9.90. So it means that this one is how much less? $0.10. Yeah, cents you can say. And here this one is $0.20 less. So option A is better value for money. Yes, if you are buying this one, then you will take the advantage. Now next question is question number 9. Question number 9 is saying that shop A. Let us write the data for both the shops. Shop A and there is shop B. So shop A, you are taking a dress. Shop A sells a dress for 79.50. Sale price of shop A is equal to 79.50 with a 20% discount. Here the discount is 20%. Similarly, the same dress which you are taking, uh, giving on $69, sale price is equal to $69.50 with a 10% discount. Here the discount is 10%. Here the discount is 20%, but they are giving it on 79.50. Here the price is 69.50 and the discount is 10%. So what the question is saying, write down a calculation you could do mentally, not using calculator, to help you decide which shop to buy the dress from. Now, shop A is giving sales price is equal to $79.50, which is nearly equal to $80, which is nearly equal to $80. Discounted price, discounted price, and that is, because this is 20, remember we will discuss that in greater detail in chapter number 8, which is all about the percentages. But here we are saying that if 20% discount, it means do not count 20%, discount. So it means 80% will remain. So I am writing the price 80% of 80. Now for shop B, sales price is equal to $69.50, which is nearly equal to $70. Discounted rate is equal to, because 10%, so 90% of 70. 90% of 70. Now these are the calculations they wanted us to do. But if I am cancelling this 0 and this 0, so it means that it will cost $64. And if I am cancelling this one and this with this, so it is $63. So it means you have to go for shop B, because shop B is giving the same dress with $63 and shop A is given it at $64. So shop B is a better option, and you will have to decide to buy the dress from the shop number B. Now question number 10, that is an advanced level question, and let us do this advanced level question as well. They are saying a handbag costs 26,700 Korea won. The currency of Korea is won. So they are saying that 20 Korean won, the conversion rate is 1 Singaporean dollar is equal to, let me write, 1 Singaporean dollar is equal to 876.33, and that is Korean won. So I am saying that 1 Singaporean dollar is nearly equal to 900 Korean won. That is estimated values. Now the price, therefore the handbag price is equal to, and that is given as 26,700 Korean won, which is nearly equal to 27,000 Korean won, because we are estimating this value. Now we can write this 3 into 900 Korean won. Yes, 3 nines are 27, but we are making it to this one because we want to put the values of this. So that is nearly equal to 3 into 1 Singaporean dollar, because from here you can see that 1 Singaporean dollar is equal to 900 Korean won. So it means that we have to pay 3 Singaporean dollar, and that is the answer. So the question is saying that without using a calculator, estimate the price of the handbag in Singaporean dollar. So that will be $3 Singaporean. That's it, ladies and gentlemen, for this exercise and for this chapter. In a moment, I will start the very basic concept of algebra. So wait for a moment, then we will start it. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, let us start the fundamental algebra. Ladies and gentlemen, in my view, algebra is the most important field of mathematics. Once you clear your concept on algebra, then most of the mathematical problems you would be able to solve it very easily. For the rest of this course, algebra is inevitable. If you like it or not liking it, you have to learn it. One thing more. Ladies and gentlemen, this course is for O level, but the concept of this is starting from 5th grade. So, the mathematical course which I am doing here, people from grade 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10 can take advantage of it. Gradually, it will become harder and harder, but once your basic concept is clear, then there will be no problem for you in the subsequent topic. Ladies and gentlemen, algebra is a word taken from Arabic language. Arabic language. Al-Jabr. Al-Jabr, which is Al-Jabr, like this, whose literally meaning is restoration, and the history is traced back to Muhammad bin Musa al-Khwarizmi. He is the inventor of algebra. He wrote different books for balancing and many other concepts of equations. So Muhammad bin Musa al-Khwarizmi is the inventor of algebra. Ladies and gentlemen, let us talk about the algebraic expression. Algebraic expression. Ladies and gentlemen, if I am writing 2x, then there are two parts of this. The first one is 2, which is called coefficient. The second part is a letter, English letter, and that is called variable. variable. In algebraic expression, note that there will be no equal symbol. Only the operators plus, minus, multiply and division are used in the algebraic expression. If we are having minus 4y, then minus 4 is called the coefficient and y is called variable. Now what is variable? Variable is anything whose values can be changed during the solution of algebraic expression. Ladies and gentlemen, if I am writing 2x plus 3, then this is called an algebraic expression. What is the technical definition of algebraic expression? The technical definition is when variables and constants are combined together through mathematical operators, then they are called algebraic expression. Ladies and gentlemen, let me give you a very vast concept. If I am saying that the price of a cricket ball, yeah, baseball ball is 30 dollar, for example, and I want to buy 3 balls, then we have to multiply 3 multiplied by 30 and that will become 90. This is not algebra. If you know the values, yeah, the price of a variable in advance, then this is not algebra. If I am saying like this, that there is a bet of cricket or baseball and the price is X dollar. Now we don't know that what X value will be. For example, I am saying that there is X and there is a box in which there is a value but it is not visible to us. So we are saying the value is X. Now we have to find the value of this X by giving further explanation. For example, if we are saying that if 3 balls cost $27, then what is the price of X? Now this is algebra. If you don't know in advance that what is the price of this box, if somebody is showing you the box that this is the value of this box, that is not algebra. In algebra, we have to find the value of unknown variables, and variables are always taken as the English alphabet, whether it is A, B, C, X, Y, Z, etc. So here we can find that dividing both sides by 3. So 3 will be cancelled with this 3 and x is equal to 9. So if there was written 9 and it was hidden from you, and the person is showing yes, we found the correct answer of this box. Now x value can be found by this. In our childhood we were playing a game. We were asking from our friends that keep a number in your mind, and after certain calculation I will find that number, that what was the number. For example, we are considering that the person, our friend, kept in mind the number is equal to x. Then we are saying that double it. So it means that it is 2x, double of the x. And then we are saying put 900, add 900 rupees of mine with that. So we have to make an expression. And then we are saying half it. Give me my money back and give the half of the money to charity. Then whatever we said 900, we had to answer the half of that as well. If it is 900, so 450 was the answer after these sort of calculation, and we were impressing the people and they were asking how you. Actually, this is algebra. In advance, if we don't know that what is the value of this box, for example, if I am playing a game and there is an envelope in which I put it a page on which it is written something. There is another envelope and I am calling this envelope is X and I am calling the second envelope as Y. Because whatever inside this envelope, for example, there is a note of currency inside it. So we have to find what is the value of X and what is the value of Y. So they will have to give us a total of the value and they will give us the condition as well. This is not a magic that you will find it through magic. But after giving certain condition, you have to evaluate. For example, they are saying if we are adding the currency, the values of these currency notes, and it comes out to be 100 Pakistani rupees. One condition then they given us. The second condition they are giving us is that in this and in this envelope, the currency notes are this, which is very simple, but I am giving you the concept that they will tell us the things, certain condition, then we would be able. So if it is 100 and they are saying equal amount is there, then we can understand that if x plus y is equal to 100 and if they are the same, then we have to divide this 100 by 2. So 50 rupees note and 50 rupees note is inside. This was a simple example. But if somebody is saying that 30% of this 100 Pakistani rupees is in this envelope and the remaining is in this envelope, so we have to find 30% of this, so it will be 30. I am giving you simple example, not going in the mathematical complications. So this will be 30 Pakistani rupees, and then we have to find that 100 minus 30, so it will be 70 PKR. So if a condition is given to you and you are finding the values of this, then it means that you are using algebra. Now let us make an expression x plus y. This is an expression. When we are making it equality, so equal sign, and that is 100. We found the value of this is 30 because 30% of 100 is 30. So put x is equal to 30. So 30 plus y is equal to 100. And then we can find the value of this envelope by 100 minus 30, which is equal to 70. So now we found this. If this value is given 70, then we can find this 30 very easily. So in this lecture, we learned the basic concept of algebraic expression. One thing more I want to clear here, that if I am writing 6x to the power 3, this is called coefficient. This is called coefficient. This is called variable. And this is called index. This is called index. To an index 4 can be pronounced as 2 raised to the power 4. 2 raised to the power 4. So this is called an index notation. In the subsequent exercise, we will solve a question, and the question will ask you to write these in the index notation. So there are linear expression 2x plus 3. This is linear expression because the index of x is 1, x raised to the power 1. Ladies and gentlemen, if I am writing minus 3x, so this x as a variable and the coefficient can be negative as well. If I am only writing x, then it means that the coefficient is 1, but people are neither writing this coefficient of 1 in the coefficient area nor in the index area. So you don't have to write this 1 or this one. You are just saying that this is, so here the index is 1, so this is a linear equation. Okay, if I am writing x square plus 3, this is non-linear equation. If the index of the variable is 1, then this is the linear equation. Another example is 1 over 4x minus 7. This is linear equation because here also the coefficient of x, the index of x is this 2 over 3x, 2 over 3x plus 2 square. 2 over 3x square plus 2 is not a linear. This is non-linear expression. Similarly, y minus 3x minus 1. This is a linear expression because all the variable is carrying 1 as its index. So this is linear equation. But xy minus 1 is not. Xy minus 1 is not a linear equation. Because when I'm not going in the detail of that, but it is also having 1 and 1. When we multiply, the powers are added, so it will be equal to 2. Because when x raised to the power 1, y raised to the power 1, when we are multiplying that, so it will be, if it is the same, for example 6, if the base is the same, the power will be added. So I'm not going in the detail of this, that it will be square by any mean. If we are taking this y is equal to x, then it is not a linear equation. 5x plus y minus 4z, 5x plus 3y minus 4z plus 3, this is a linear. But x divided by y plus under root z is not a linear equation, because the value of z is 1 over 2, which is not 1. So it is also not a linear equation. And remember that this linear equation can never be written in the form of p divided by y. This is another option, that this is not equal to, you cannot write x divided by y, yeah, y divided by x. If it is the case, then there is no linear expression, we can call it. Okay, thank you very much for today. We will start in the next exercise, in the next video, exercise 4a, and we will clear more concept. That was a basic idea which in my mind was needed here. So don't miss tomorrow lecture. Please subscribe my channel, because this is the 22nd lecture, and in every lecture I am telling you, please support me and encourage me. Subscribe this channel by your friends and family members, so you will support me. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.